Mr. Limpy. This is too wet even for the ducks. Oh God. Mr. Walgreens. Oh no, Mr. Boots. Yeah, sorry. Your name is Boots, not Walgreens. Good Lord. I am so glad that I dug this drainage ditch. It's raining cats and dogs here in West Virginia the whole day. Okay, let's walk up to the pond, watch the next coming disaster. Yeah, this is the potato patch underwater. Oh, some of the potatoes come out. That's good to see. This is the strawberry patch, the berry garden. Oh God, everything's flooded here. I hope my cherry trees don't drown. And this is how the pond looks. This is my pond. I don't know if you can see that. This is the water rushing into the pond. That whole hill drains into the little pond. Mr. Walgreens. Chaos duck. Yeah. And here is where the pond is overflowing. There we go. And it comes out here. Let me see that. There we go. So far the pipe is able to manage the overflow, so we are not going through the emergency overflow, but close by. We have never had so much water in that pond. Hey, quacks. Good Lord. Are you coming home tonight? Yeah. And in there we have Mr. Chapo. Mr. Chapo Dukman. There he is. He's not able to see a thing because he has both eyes infected and I can't get him. Okay guys, I need to go back inside. I am soaked. So this is West Virginia. On Thursday, April 4.